Howdy brewers, today we're going to taste test that Voyager mid-strength beer from Cooper's. One of their advanced recipe packs. Don't mind this, yes it is a Heineken bottle, yes it's green. No, I'm not worried about it being light struck because I keep it in the dark. So I don't think I'm going to get any of those skunky flavours that can be associated with having a light struck beer. Alright, now it is a lager. It's only been in the bottle 2 weeks. There's very little yeast at the bottom of this, and it's a very clear beer. It appears that my glass is dirty. That's a shame. I was thinking it was a clean glass. The bubbles aren't lasting too long on the bottom. But anyway, it's really hot, so we'll get straight into this. Classic sort of lager smell, that real bready aroma, and a bit of biscuit smell as well. So remember, this had 250 grams of carapils grain in it. So let's give it a taste. That's what it really what really matters. I'm just so impressed by how clear the beer is. It's really nice. Perfect for today, being as hot as it is. Being a mid-strength, it doesn't lack any malt flavour. It's a mid-strength lager, so there's only the balancing bitterness. There's no real hop flavours to speak of. It's just that sort of bready and biscuity flavours that come through when you're in the aromas as well. It's just really easy drinking beer. So I kept this in the fermenter for 2 weeks. It finished fermenting at about day 7 or day 8. Fermented at 16. I cold crashed for up until about day 14. It was really clear. Then I bottled, and it has been, I think today is 2 weeks in the bottle. I put this in the fridge yesterday. So yeah, in a month or 4 weeks you get this lovely mid-strength lager. This is, if you wanted to try one of those Cooper's advanced recipe packs, well, I can safely say that the Voyager, the mid-strength crisp one, I can't remember the specific name, is one worth making if you have temperature control, if you can ferment at 16 or you live in a cold climate. Alright, that's enough from me. Yeah. If you like what you see, remember hit the subscribe button, and yeah, you'll get more content of me either making or drinking beer or cooking on the barbecue, or, well, I don't know, probably those two things for now. Alright, cheers.